Good morning, students. Note down the numerical on the radiation. The effective temperature of a body having an area of 0.12 meter square is 575 degrees Celsius. Calculate the following. First, the total rate of energy emission. Second, the intensity if normal radiation. Third, the wavelength of maximum monochromatic emissive power. First of all, we are going to note down the things they have mentioned in this problem. They have given the area which is 0.12 meter square. Next, they have given temperature, which is 527. We are going to convert it into Kelvin. Now, first they are asking you to find rate of emission of energy. Now, the rate of emission of energy, the effective temperature means equivalent temperature of a black surface. So, we are going to use the Stefan-Boltzmann law. So, as per the Stefan-Boltzmann law, we know that EB is equal to Q by A, which is equal to sigma T raised to 4. So in this equation, as we are going to modify, Q is equal to sigma A T raised to 4. So in this numerical, they have mentioned the area, they have given the temperature. We know this Stefan-Boltzmann constant value 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. So we are going to substitute those values. 0.12 into 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 8,000 raised to 4. So we got our first answer is 2786.9 watt. Okay. So as we are finding rate of emission of energy, we are assumed that the effective temperature means equivalent temperature of the black surface, and as per that we have calculated the rate of emission of energy. Now second, they are asking you intensity in normal direction. Now here, intensity of normal direction for black body surfaces. For black body surfaces, we have seen the derivation. EB equal to pi into intensity in normal direction. Okay. So we have funded the as we are going to be assume EB, that is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 C. This EB is sigma into T raised to 4. So we are going to substitute the value sigma, that is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 8,000 raised to 4 into pi into Rn, that is the intensity of normal direction. So after solving this, we are getting the intensity of normal direction is 7392.5 watt per Farad. Okay. Now, last we are going to find out the wavelength of monochromatic emissive power, and whenever we are going to find out the monochromatic emissive power, we are going to apply the Ven's law. So we are writing monochromatic emissive power. So we are, as per our Ven's law, we have lambda max into 3, which is equal to 0.0029 meter Kelvin. So in this equation, only unknown value is maximum wavelength, temperature they have given, so we get lambda max is equal to 3.625 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, or why we are going to convert it into mu m, 3.625 mu m. So just once again I am repeating, in this numerical they have given the area, they have given the temperature, and here rate of emission of energy they are asking. So while calculating rate of emission of energy, we are considering which is equal to the emissivity of the black body. So emissivity of black body is equal to Q by A, which is equal to sigma into T raised to 4. So we are going to modify this formula. So Q is equal to sigma into A into T raised to 4. So in this equation, sigma value we know, that is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. Area they have given, which is 0.12, and temperature they have given, which we have converted into Kelvin format, which is 800 raised to 4. So we are getting Q is equal to 2786.9 watt, and this is the rate of emission of energy. Now second they are asking intensity in the normal direction. We have derived by proof intensity in the normal direction. Whenever we are going to calculate, emissivity of black body is equal to pi into IM, and IM is the intensity of radiation. They are asking this, and as per we have written this formula, EB is equal to sigma into T raised to 4. Just we are going to substitute this value in this equation, sigma into T raised to 4, which is equal to pi into IM, and where we are getting the intensity of radiation 7392.5 watt per steradian. Next they are asking you monochromatic emissive power. So whenever we are going to calculate maximum wavelength, monochromatic maximum wavelength, so as per this here wavelength of monochromatic emissive power we have calculated. We are using the Ven's law, and as per the Ven's law, lambda m, this is the wavelength maximum into temperature, which is equal to 0.0029 meter Kelvin. So they have given the temperature. We are substituting this in this equation, and we are getting the maximum wavelength, which is 3.625 mu m. Write down the next problem. The length of this numericals is very short, but they are asking this problem for 7 to 8 marks, and as per the gate examination point of view, this is very much important topic. Write down the intensity of radiation in a direction normal to a black surface is 100 watt per meter square. Calculate the intensity in a direction making of 30 degree with the normal. Also calculate emissive power of the surface. Okay, so they are asking you to calculate the emissive power of the surface, and they are asking you intensity in direction at 30 degree to normal. Okay, so first we are using the Lambert cosine rule. We have seen the Lambert cosine rule. As per that, we are writing intensity in direction at 30 degree to normal. So as per Lambert cosine rule, we have here they have given Rn value which is 100 watt per meter square into cos of beta angle they have given 30. So while solving, we are getting 86.6 watt per meter square. So this is the intensity in direction at 30 degree to the normal. Second, they are asking you emissive power for black surface. So emissive power of black surface we are writing into pi. So Rn value they have mentioned 100 into pi, which is equal to 314.15 watt per meter square. So in this way, by using the formula, see first we have calculated the intensity in the normal direction. We are using formula I is equal to In into cos of beta. In is the intensity in the normal direction they are given, that is the 100 value they have given watt per meter square. Beta angle they have mentioned, we have to find that 30 degree to the normal. So we are getting intensity in direction at 30 degree to the normal is 86.6 watt per meter square. And next they are asking emissive power for black surface. We have proved E is equal to In into pi. So in this value In they have given 100. We have substituted and we are getting emissive power of black surface is 314.15 watt per meter square. Thank you.